Moving along to evaluating these expressions. Okay, one of the reasons why this is on here at all is because there are people who need to learn the difference. Remember the difference between, I shouldn't have written or, between this one right here and this one right here. What's the difference? This one is saying, hey, look, I got parentheses, so I want 3 groups of exactly this. So it would look like this, okay? And this is -3 times -3, that's +9. We're still multiplying by that -3, and we get -27. So that is the answer for number 5, but what is this? This is saying I've got a negative out front, and I've got 3 times 3 times 3. Why 3 of them? Because of this 3 right here, okay? And then why are these 3s? Because of this 3 right here, all right? So what's going on with this one is that negative's out front, and we do 3 times 3, and we get 9. This negative's still out front, and 9 times 3 is 27. And you might think, well, wait a second, those are the same answer. You're right. The biggest problem with this one was when you would see things like this. -3 squared, that's +9. A -3 squared, that's -9. If you're not sure why the difference is there, consult this right here. This one is like this one, and this one is like this one. Moving on. PEMDAS says we should do parentheses first, but these parentheses are really just saying, hey, I have a box or a basket or a something, and inside of it is this one little number. And I don't really need to mess with it. I'm just bringing it in a basket and bringing it in a box because I need to let you know that it's like its own thing. That's it. So we can't do parentheses here. We don't have exponents, and when it comes to these two, multiply and divide, they're interchangeable, just go left or right. Same thing with add and subtract, just go left or right. So I'm gonna start left and go to the right, left or right. -3 times -4 is 12. That 10 is still there, this is 120. That's it. And if you're thinking, yeah, I know, I knew that one. Okay, well, how about this one, okay? So PEMDAS again. We have parentheses. We can go inside of these parentheses and actually do some math. In fact, once we get inside the parentheses, we're going to ask, do I have any more parentheses? And the answer is no, we don't have any more, but we do have exponents. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write 24 minus 3 parentheses 2, and now let's deal with this. The way this is written, I hope you see that that negative is way out in front of that exponent. And this is really just 4 times 4. That's what we have. And now we're still inside the parentheses. We can actually do the parentheses now. We're done with the exponents. Let's cross that out. Bye-bye. So inside our parentheses, and if you're like, wait, wouldn't we move on to multiplication? Dude, we didn't finish this yet. Technically, every time you ask about one thing and you move to the next, if you actually do that thing, you should start over again. Anyway, so 2 minus 16 is -14. We're done with parentheses. We're done with exponents. Are we ready to multiply? Yes, we are. So right here, -3 times 14, that is positive 42. And 24 plus 42 is 66.